Law enforcement officers in Washington state will no longer be allowed to wear masks or other face coverings to conceal their identities. Governor Ferguson signed a new bill into law this morning. It comes after recent ICE operations where federal agents have been hiding their identities. KOMO's Lynn Wynn joins us live in Seattle tonight with a breakdown of what's in this new law. Lynn.
Molly, this new law goes into effect immediately, and I'm told that officers who violate the law could face a possible lawsuit.
No more fear, no more intimidation, no more hiding your identity while you're interacting with the public. The public deserves to know who you are.
Law enforcement officers in Washington state no longer allowed to cover their faces to hide their identities.
Don't touch me. That's abuse.
But the governor's remarks on the new law did not come without a couple interruptions from protesters, yelling they believe the governor collaborates with ICE.
Law enforcement's job, of course, is to protect us. Yet ICE is hiding from public accountability. For the safety of both the public and for law enforcement, Washingtonians must know they are interacting with legitimate law enforcement officers.
Though the law comes with a few exceptions for religious reasons and undercover operations, its passage did not come without some pushback.
When we have people that are not following the law and are putting these officers, whether they are state or federal, in danger by putting their faces on social media, so that people look them up, dox them, go after their families.
Those who testified during hearings against this said the state doesn't have the authority to regulate the federal government, and they believe this law recklessly endangers officers and their families.
It does give a tool for our local officers to be able to question. It does give a tool for community to be able to question and speak up if this were to happen again in their communities.
Others in the community say it is a huge step towards relieving some anxiety they're feeling about ICE operations.
It would immensely reduce the anxiety to know that they are legit people that are coming after them.
Again, there are several exceptions to this law, such as undercover officers that are working active undercover operations. Exceptions also include for N95 masks, clear face shields, and clear masks, as well as face coverings for religious purposes, helmets, and other protective gear that are used in SWAT operations. We'll send it back to you.
Oh, Lynn, are legislators expecting any legal challenges to the new law?
So it's possible. This came up during committee hearings. People who testified against this law as it was being discussed during committee had brought up that states do not have the authority to govern the federal government. So it remains to be seen if there will be any legal challenges, though those behind the law do believe that it will stand up in court. Molly.
Lynn, thank you.